Back pain or nerve compression can affect daily life. When treatments like medication or physiotherapy don't help, a laminectomy may offer relief. A laminectomy is a spinal decompression surgery where a small piece of bone, the lamina, is removed to create space around the spinal cord and nerves. This reduces compression and can relieve pain, numbness, and weakness. It is commonly recommended for spinal stenosis, herniated discs, or nerve compression causing pain, weakness, or numbness. Laminectomy has a success rate of about 80% to 90%, with most patients experiencing significant pain relief and improved mobility. Not sure if surgery is right for you? Well, teleconsultation can help you connect with top spine specialists from around the world. You can share your symptoms, imaging reports, and medical history through secure video calls before making any decisions about travel or treatment. MediGence helps you connect with top hospitals, get second opinions, and transparent cost estimates, and complete medical travel assistance. Laminectomy can offer real relief from nerve compression and pain, helping you regain mobility and comfort. With expert guidance through teleconsultations and the support of MediGence, you can make informed choices and take confident steps toward recovery. Visit www.medigence.com to explore laminectomy options and take a confident step toward a pain-free life.